Hello. Okay, back again with Wednesday's Blends with Friends Days. Today I'm going to be showcasing one of Young Living's pre-made roller blends called Breathe Again. This one is actually pretty new to me, but I'm loving it so far. During this time of year, I kind of tend to get the itchy, runny nose, watery eyes, and all that. So I love the LLP blend I put together, which is lemon, lavender, and peppermint, is amazing. But I wanted to try a pre-made roller because I heard wonderful things. I heard people use it for more severe respiratory issues as well, as just for people like me who need help during this time is springtime. So it's really great. It really helps to open me up, clear out my nasal passages, clear out my lungs, and just help me breathe really good. It's really awakening and invigorating, and it has 4 different eucalyptuses among a few other oils like copaiba and myrtle. It's amazing.